in this video I will show you how to change my Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. Firstly, get up into a profile section on your account, then go to that profile section setup and go for select profile picture. When you get up right there, you need to select the profile picture which is related into your interest. For example, for me it is this one. And now what is so important in this site, if you go and save it, this selection, and if you simply go and, as you can see on your right upper side by getting up on the save button, now what you need to do, you need to wait to get up and upload your profile photo. And when you get up right there and you take a refresh, now scroll right down and go for, just now as you can see, just go on the three dots on your right upper side and then go for edit post or edit privacy. You can go edit privacy and go for only me, and then you can get back, and with this you can take a deep refresh on it. And now if you get back, you're gonna see that no one can see that session that you have changed your profile picture.